Okay, this is the second part of the house tour. So now I'm leaving the kitchen, going downstairs, main area, main entrance, I should say. This is downstairs a little bit to the other bedrooms. 2 bedrooms downstairs. This is a mudroom, washing machine, mudroom. It's a little dark here. 1 bedroom. Bunch of firewood. There's the lake. There's the bathroom, not particularly interesting. Here's the second bedroom downstairs, 2 twin beds. Another view of the lake. A lot of big windows in this house. Okay. This is just a storage closet. I'm going to open the mudroom door. Okay. This is the front of the house. There's my car. I'll give you a shot of the house. This is the parking area. It's the house. There's the bridge from the 3rd floor going to the trail. There's that steep driveway up there. And there's the lake. Well, they actually call it a pond. It's called Round Pond. And that's it.